Hello to fashion design students of IMSD. I am Rasanjot Singh, working with Morlama Exports as an UK division head. Today I am here to tell you how fashion merchandising works in export setup. So I have been into this business from last 15 years. When I started, I was fresher, just like you, who was eager to learn. Let me tell you brief about the role of merchandising and the life cycle of a product when it comes into the hand of merchandising till it has been shipped out to the client. So the key role of merchandising is ordering and procurement. So which comes as in first step once you have an order confirmation in hand. So when you say ordering and procurement, it consists of three subcategories. So which is like it needs to be well negotiated. Like you have to buy a particular raw material at the best possible lowest price in the market, so that it gives you a better profit margins for the company. Then the TNA, which is time and action calendar, which needs to be aligned with the TNA which you have closed with the customer. And the third is quality and colors, that also needs to be as per the norms closed with the buyer. So after all the ordering is done, we have to keep a follow-up with the suppliers on the TNA part. Alongside, we have to work on fitting cycle with the customer. Fitting cycle is very crucial cycle which needs to be closely followed up, because as per regular norms, you could have all the raw material in-house and approved from the buyer, but till the time you do not have your fit approval, you will not be able to start your production, and you might miss your PCD. Why we have to take a control of the PCD is that PCD is something which is one of the way of monitoring the efficiency and capability of a merchandiser. And based on PCDs of any style, quantity or product, the PPC department, which is a pre-planning department, they take care of the capacity of whatever has been procured, the order quantity which has been procured. Like you just can't have 1 lakh piece orders when you have the capacity of producing only 50,000 pieces. So you have to ensure that your machines are running all the time, and you maintain your PCD so that you produce 50,000 pieces. Otherwise, what will happen is that if you lose initial 15 days of your month, which is a monthly capacity of 50,000 pieces, you cannot produce 50,000 pieces in end of the 15 days of any particular month. So you just watch that you are meeting your PCD, all of your raw materials is procured, TNA is closed, fitting is closed, so that you can hand over your production package to the production team on a PCD date. As a senior professional, I hired many junior merchandisers, assistant merchandisers and interns in my team in Morlama Exports. Employer today is looking forward for people who are dedicated, focused, street smart, and have capability of solving problems. To sum up, one must be able to execute any job which has been delegated. I hope you have learned something new today. It was a pleasure addressing you all. So see you in the market soon after this corona thing is over. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye. Bye-bye.